Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be sharing a video to you about how to make a star-shaped cake. Star cakes are popular shapes for birthday party cakes. The easiest way to bake a star-shaped cake is by using a star-shaped cake pan. However, if a star-shaped pan is not available, it is very easy to create a star shape out of two baked round cakes by cutting the cakes into a pentagon and triangles and joining them together. An added bonus in creating your own star-shaped cake without a star pan is leftover cake bits to use for other desserts. Things you'll need: 2 round cake pans, cutting board, cake board, serrated knife, frosting, cake decorations. Bake the 2 round 1-layer cakes in the 2 round cake pans. Make sure one cake pan is a little bigger. Let the cakes cool completely in the pans after baking. When the cakes are cool, turn one bigger cake out onto the cutting board. Turn it over so that the bottom of the cake is on the cake board. Cut the cake into 6 equal triangle-shaped pieces with the serrated knife. Then, cut the rounded outer edge of each triangle off. Make sure to cut the rounded edges off equally so that each piece of cake ends up being perfect triangles of the same shape and size. Move them aside. Place the smaller cake bottom side down on the cutting board. Picture a perfect pentagon shape. Create the shape by cutting off 5 small equal parts off the rounded edges of the cake all the way around. The shape that is left after removing the 5 equal slices is the pentagon. Place the pentagon shape on the cake board. Move 5 of the perfect triangle shapes from the first cake up against the 5 sides of the pentagon shape. This creates a star-shaped cake. Frost and decorate as desired. Eat the leftover cake parts or freeze for later use as crumbs in ice cream or puddings. Thanks for watching, and subscribe below for next video. See you.